So far, we've understood democracy as a form of government where leaders are elected by the people, elections are free and fair, and rights are protected by law. But is that all democracy is? Imagine a family where the father decides everything: what to eat, what to wear, who to talk to. Even if it's a loving family, would you call it democratic? That's what this lesson is about, the broader meaning of democracy beyond governments into everyday life. Let's start with the most common form today, representative democracy. Here's how it works. Modern democracies have millions of people. It's impossible for everyone to sit in one room and make laws. So, people elect representatives who take decisions on their behalf. Even within majorities, not everyone rules, only elected leaders do. That's the practical model we follow. But is that all democracy should mean? Let's dig deeper. You've probably heard someone say, "Ours is a very democratic family. Everyone gets to speak." Or, "My teacher encourages questions. She has a democratic attitude." That's democracy beyond government as a way of making decisions. A democratic decision means consultation, consent, equal say, even for those who aren't powerful. So whether it's a classroom, a family, or a club, democracy means everyone affected by a decision should have a say in it. That's the heart of it. Sometimes we don't describe what is, but what should be. True democracy will come only when no one sleeps hungry. In real democracy, people must have equal education and opportunities. These are democratic ideals, goals we strive for. But here's the truth: no country meets these fully. Yet these ideas help us identify problems and work toward solutions. They help us ask, is this just a democracy by name or a good democracy? In small communities, democracy can look very different. Take the Gram Sabha in villages. Everyone, yes, every adult, can attend meetings and directly vote on issues. This is called direct democracy, where people don't just choose rulers, they are the rulers. It works well in small setups. In larger societies, representative democracy is needed. But the goal is always the same: equal say, shared decisions, respect for all voices. Here's a powerful truth: democracy depends on what citizens do, not just what rulers do. In monarchies or dictatorships, you're expected to obey. In democracies, you're expected to participate, vote, ask questions, join discussions, hold leaders accountable. A democracy weakens when citizens are passive. It strengthens when we the people are involved. Let's sum it all up. Democracy is not just about voting every 5 years. It's not just about parliaments and presidents. Democracy is a system of government, a principle of fairness and equality, a way to take decisions together, an ideal to strive for, a daily responsibility for every citizen. It starts with the Constitution, but it continues with you and me.